Hakhlieh Board of School Education mentaka sngi. Kalapan benaya ke result na ke bentaka science bat ke commerce stream. Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School bat ke St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Kyrdan haki Kyrdan ki bakhamak hak result jong ke HSSLC habaro art liki stream. Arnab data jong ke Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School ulawan hak Kyrdan ke Hakhlieh jong ke science mentausnem. Hak ba ulayo hadu sauspa prapulai marks kentup ya ke jeng yok letter ha ke English, ke physics, ke chemistry, ke mathematics, bat ke computer science. Ya ke Kyrdan bah Hakhlieh du jong ke commerce la yo bat biang da ke Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School da urishap pur ke yastha. Ha ke commerce kiladon hadu nyup kendai poin lai iwe nak sispa ki belapas menta usnem ka baduna kendiat na usnem belala kata prapulai poin riu lai nak sispa. Kat bah ke science kiladon nyup pra poin prasau nak sispa ki belapas hakabak ladon ke jingkiu kendiat kata nyau puwei poin riu ar nak sispa ha usnam arajar arpuar. Hakwi pat kaliang ke samla puli nak Anderson High Secondary School Nongston ka dayairi nongrem nak commerce stream kalayo rong ha ka thup basipau ha ka ba kalayo sauspa saupunyo marks.
Initially I plan to do BSc in mathematics, but now I'll just be seeing whatever opportunities I'll get. I'll just pick up the best from that.
It is a very big achievement. I think the teachers really pushed us. They worked hard for this because last year we got the first rank from science, and even before that we got the first rank from commerce. And I think the teachers really wanted to repeat this again because they wanted to spread the message that we can create toppers. We can take an ordinary student and build him up in such a way that he can become a topper.
My teachers, I was an average guy from the beginning, so they motivated me that you can do it, and they pursued me, encouraged me, and this is how I thought that I can do it. I'll be pursuing it with BCom, accounting honors, and then I'll continue with CS together with BCom.